What's going on, guys? In this video, we will be making
paper airplanes.
Paper airplanes. He said okay. In this video, we will be making paper airplanes. Let's get started. So I'm going to make mine. I don't.
I was making here, sir. Gonna make the perfect angle.
I want to make
and
mine.
diameter.
Liam, you have to hold the camera and show her. Don't press the button, okay?
Hey, can I see the cameraman for this video?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Here. Liam, get us both making the paper.
Yeah, here, I'll move the camera.
What? Get us both making the paper airplanes. Okay. Don't judge any of our paper airplane making.
Please don't judge any of our paper.
Okay. Recent, no, I'm not supposed to. I'm talking to you.
Yeah, I know.
Guess what?
Wait,
Recently, I've been getting.
wait. Can I show them inside the video?
They already saw you. All right. Liam's the cameraman.
Hello.
Here. Yeah.
You can even see me.
Go on, Dad. We're going to restart. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Liam, you gotta get closer.
Okay.
Alright, this is my paper airplane.
Yeah, I'm zooming in.
You're going far.
Okay.
Zooming in makes it blurry.
Okay. Yeah, I saw it.
Alright, zoom out.
I couldn't make it.
Okay, I zoomed out.
So this is my paper airplane. I could make it cooler and like do this, but I don't want to. So.
Alright, this is mine.
Alright, let's go outside and test them.
No, Liam, guys.
Flippy!
Flippy! Do not subscribe to Flippy. Well,
Don't show it at other people.
okay.
I think the dog's from out.
I'm gonna have to not show it at people.
Guys, move the doormat. At least step off the doormat.
I'm just blocking it from the
Wally.
Wally, come! Wally!
Alright, Bubby.
Alright, go, go. So much to learn. Wow, it's gonna be
Holy shit. Hey, come on, fast. Okay. So, with our paper airplanes, we will be throwing them.
Hey.
Both on the same spot.
Alright.
There we go. I'll go first. Come on.
Okay, I am.
I'm gonna be flippy for what is happening.
Wait, zoom in on that. Wait. Zoom in on that smoke over there. Wait, no, I got this. Okay. Here, hold my paper airplane. Don't mess it up.
Oh, the smoke?
But there's smoke.
Dude, the
Over
smoke
there.
is probably cooking something. All right, let's go.
We're
The
burning
smoke!
Alright, Liam, here.
Okay, Liam,
Make
get
sure, like-
a good angle. Here.
Here, stand like this. Don't zoom
Hunter,
in.
let's see the smoke. Hunter. And then,
Liam, hold this.
ready?
No, wait, not yet.
Ready?
Yes.
All right, like, go, do it as it goes. So, like, watch. Oh, seriously, that was such a bad throw.
Alright.
God.
Bro, Brayden, just leave it there. Leave it there.
Oh,
All right.
that's so
Hunter.
bad.
Brayden.
That was like one of the worst I've ever done. Wow.
No, Brayden's
That, where I got,
sucks.
yeah, I know. Sucks.
Alright, I'm probably gonna get worse somehow. Cause mine's like just like this. I don't know how. I didn't. The smoke is distracting me. I don't know why. Coming from like, hey, down.
Coming from a barrel over there. Alright, come on.
There's a barrel.
Let's go.
Did I?
Oh!
It hit the tree.
Alright. Don't move it yet.
I lost.
This is where his landed.
My name is Hunter, by the way.
This is where mine landed.
His name is Brayden.
His hits the tree. Mine was a terrible throw.
You probably don't know that
That's
his
it.
name is Brayden,
That is smoke over there.
and his name is Brayden,
And this is the end of the video.
and his name.
Whoa!